Are you looking for the best drones under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best drones under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Drone Mavic Mini Combo. DJI Mavic Mini Drone, a product proudly brought to you by DJI, a brand synonymous with innovation and excellence in the realm of aerial imaging technology. DJI's reputation precedes itself, and the Mavic Mini lives up to the brand's legacy. As DJI's lightest and most portable drone, weighing under 250 grams, it not only defies gravity but also circumvents drone registration requirements in many nations. Don't let its feather-light design fool you. This drone boasts impressive capabilities, capturing stunning 12MP photos and crisp 2.7K videos with the utmost precision, thanks to its 3-axis motorized gimbal. The Mavic Mini redefines endurance with a flight time of up to 30 minutes, offering ample opportunities for breathtaking aerial shots. User-friendly and accessible for both beginners and experts, the DJI Fly app simplifies control and includes informative tutorials. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or an aspiring one, the DJI Mavic Mini is your ticket to capturing life's moments from a whole new perspective. Number 2. Holystone HS720 Drone. Holystone HS720 Drone, a mid-range marvel that packs a 4K UHD camera, GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes, and an impressive 52-minute flight time. With its foldable and portable design, this drone is a versatile companion for any adventure. The 4K UHD camera on the HS720 ensures your aerial escapades are captured in stunning detail, supported by integrated image stabilization for smooth and shake-free footage. GPS-assisted intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit make capturing breathtaking aerial shots effortless. Plus, the remarkable 52-minute flight time lets you explore and capture without the constant worry of a drained battery. Compact and foldable, the HS720 is an ideal travel partner, weighing just 460 grams. Its 5 GHz FPV video transmission guarantees uninterrupted connectivity, and a control range of 3,000 feet provides ample freedom for exploration. The HS720 redefines the possibilities of aerial photography and videography for pilots aged 14 and above, promising an unforgettable experience. Number 3. Holystone HS175D Drone. Holystone, a trusted brand in the drone industry, offers a variety of models tailored to both beginners and experienced pilots. The HS175D is a standout with its foldable design, weighing under 250 grams, ensuring it doesn't require FAA registration in the United States. Equipped with a 4K camera boasting a wide-angle 110-degree lens, this drone excels at capturing high-quality photos and videos. With GPS auto-return, efficient brushless motors, and a range of intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint, and Orbit, it's suitable for all skill levels. The foldable design enhances portability, and with a weight of just 120 grams, it offers an impressive 23 minutes of flight time and a range of up to 800 meters. Capture sharp 4K photos and 2.7K videos, all while staying connected via Wi-Fi. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pilot, the Holystone HS175D promises a thrilling and versatile aerial experience. Number 4. DJI Drone. DJI Mavic Mini, a true marvel from the industry leader, renowned for its pioneering work in civilian drones, aerial imaging, and cutting-edge camera technology. Compact and incredibly portable, this drone weighs under 250 grams and folds to a mere 138.8 by 81.5 by 56.9 millimeters, placing it in the safest weight class and often exempting it from regulatory constraints in many countries. The Mavic Mini is equipped with a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 12MP photos and 2.7K video at 25/30 frames per second, ensuring impressive image quality. Its 3-axis motorized gimbal guarantees exceptional camera stability, delivering smooth and clear footage. With a flight time of up to 30 minutes and a transmission range of up to 4 kilometers, it offers extended flight and connectivity capabilities. Plus, it supports various intelligent flight modes, including quick shots, making it an ideal choice for anyone seeking a compact, portable, and user-friendly drone that excels in capturing breathtaking aerial photos and videos. Number 5. Ruko Drone. Ruko F11 mini drone is crafted for beginners and hobbyists alike. Brought to you by Ruko, a brand known for its innovative and user-friendly drone solutions, this compact and lightweight marvel weighs under 250 grams, sparing you from the need for FAA registration. Its 4K UHD camera elevates your photography and videography game, capturing stunning imagery, while the 2K/25 FPS FPV transmission system provides a real-time perspective from the skies. With 2 intelligent flight batteries, enjoy an extended flight time of up to 60 minutes. The drone's repertoire of intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Point of Interest, adds excitement and ease to your flying experience. Whether you're a novice or an enthusiast, the Ruko F11 Mini seamlessly combines user-friendly features with impressive capabilities, making it the perfect companion for capturing breathtaking aerial footage and exploring the boundless skies.